am I to be giving you all this SIBO advice? So I personally had SIBO myself back in 2016, so to this day it's 5.5 years SIBO free. But I am a qualified naturopath, so fully trained and qualified naturopath and Western medical herbalist. So I have lots of scientific training. A naturopath, for those of you that don't know, is like a GP, like a general practitioner, but of natural medicine. So we know a lot about everything, and then I have chosen to specialize in digestive health, and particularly in SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, and the microbiome, because you have to have them both working. So I am like, do I want to say genius? I don't know. But I spent a lot of time researching on different bacteria. I spent a lot of time looking at the latest studies on these conditions. So I know a lot. And so I had a lifetime of digestive issues. I make jokes that the universe helped me out with my calling. It was really bad. I'm like, character building. I have enough character. But it helps me relate to you guys on a whole other level. So I feel like if you haven't been through digestive issues, if you haven't been through the food fear, if you haven't been through the trying to hide your bloated belly under baggy clothes, it's hard to relate. So there's that. Yay. So I have been practicing as a naturopath for almost 10 years now, and I love it. I'm endlessly fascinated by it, and I can see like not only what it's done to my own life, but hundreds of other people I've helped get their life. Is it even back, or have I given them a life that they've never had before? So it's pretty cool stuff. And I went from a place of not being able to eat any foods to now being able to eat all the foods. A day in the life of Kirsten it's pretty rad, actually. So I am quite an early to bed, early to rise kind of girl. I enjoy that. I do a bit of work. I do my group coaching programs. I'm creating content for you guys all the time. I'm talking with people. I give interviews on podcasts, on documentary series, depending on what's happening at the time. And then I play. Like, I surf pretty much every day now that I've got the strength and the confidence to let people see me in my swimsuit again. I do yoga when I feel like it. I'm catching up with my friends. I'm an extroverted introvert, so I love my own time. I also love socializing with my friends, so I'm often going out for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever it is, and I know that I can eat and enjoy all the foods again without the horrible symptoms like the bloating and the brain fog and the fatigue and all of that. So yeah, that's me. I often say health is the ability to enjoy the life of your dreams. Like, I had this cool life 6 years ago when I had SIBO, but I wasn't enjoying it because my digestive issues got in the way of pretty much everything. So yeah, I relate. SIBO sucks, digestive issues suck, but it can absolutely get better. Our bodies are amazing. You're amazing.